Hello, this is Austin Hansel, and I am excited because we are living at a campground, and that is our camper right there, Rockwood Ultralight. That's our neighbor Billy, and that's their golf cart. There's my mom and my dad my mom and my friend Tanner's mom.
My buddy Austin is right here.
And there's my friend Tanner. Say hi, Tanner.
Say hello, Austin.
Hi. Say hi to everyone.
Hey, everybody. What's up? Wait, is it on me?
Oh, there you go.
Hello, everyone. How are you today? So, yeah. So, guys, listen. This is our question.
That's the park over there.
Will you guys please? So, yeah, guys. So, as you can see, here's
And
the campsite where we are at.
I'm so excited because living at a campground is more fun than you think.
So, yeah.
Kids, girls, boys, all having fun.
And,
Clouds.
We're not really doing so good.
Pretty much eating hot dogs on the grill on the bun.
I'm trying to think of good ideas.
And I really love this place because it's nice, has lots of friendly people, and country camping it's called, by the way. And I am the dance star, if you don't notice. I made $22 for dancing in the dance-off, and I like to dance. And if you want to come up country camping, Cambridge, Minnesota, it's really cool. Meet lots of friends. They have croquis here. They just had Halloween, camping Halloween. And there's a pool, heated pool. Although I think it's cold, but anyways, it's still heated. And I am planning to get 100 viewers.
Hopefully, until I come back camping again, I would sure be thankful.
And we are coming up to the front.
So here's like where you sign in and sign out and bring your campers into,
and that right there is Croaky Lady's house.
See that house? That's where we karaoke. I've one son is saying, forgive me, but I'm a little rusty because I really haven't been doing any YouTube videos because, you know, this is my first time, so forgive me if I'm not doing great.
I don't know why, but they left their golf cart here.
Yeah, so here's and over there is where
there's a road that takes you.
That's where we go swimming. So enough talking about me. How all you people do?
Oh, there's a car over there.
Well,
you come through here, you can park your trailer. Dump sites is over there, and dump your stuff.
You see that spot way at the end? That's where we were.
Anyways, this is the road that takes you. There's the park is down here. This road takes you anywhere.
Oh, and I need to tell you this.
And you can go swimming, and you can go down the river.
If you subscribed, like,
canoeing,
and put a
kayaking, tubing,
video.
And croquis is till 7 to 11.
Viewed.
And here comes another car.
Subscribe. I understand.
And
put a comment down.
I don't have any girlfriends yet either, so I'm fine. And
I was just saying hello to some people. So anyway,
excuse me,
me and my buddy Austin are just taking a walk. And you see.
And I hope you guys enjoy the beautiful day.
And I hope people will enjoy.
And it rains here half of the time. It's not rainforest, but it rains.
And if you guys are out of school, then I hope you have a great summer.
Yeah.
And if you guys are not, then I hope you have a fun summer after you get
come up and join us. We live in the Rockwood Ultralight.
Forgive me if this is too long of a video. I'm very sorry.
And they're playing.
And if you don't want this video,
frisbees.
Then just tell me and I would destroy it.
Well, I gotta go, guys.
So
see you later and have fun.
Later,
and
guys.
hope you like this video. Leave a like or a comment. or subscribe.
Yeah.
Any of them's fine with me.
Leave a like, comment, subscribe,
And
all of them, or just leave a like or
just
comment.
remember,
I don't care what you guys do.
I am
As
the
long as you
Dayon
put a like
Star.
and comment, or any of those two, really. It's
So
fun
gotta
time.
go, guys. See you
I
on
hope
our
you guys
next
have a fun
video.
Summer vacation.
See
and
you
I
later.
hope you will like.